Have you ended up with too many YouTube playlists that you no longer use? Maybe you created a test one, an old music collection, or just a list you don't need anymore. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily delete any playlist on YouTube, whether you're using your phone or a computer. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be notified when I upload new tutorials. So, first, open the YouTube app and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in YouTube, look at the bottom right corner. You'll see your profile icon, tap on it. Here, you'll see the history option, and below it, playlists. Next to playlists, tap View All, and this will open a page where you can see all your playlists. Some playlists can't be deleted, such as liked videos and watch later. YouTube keeps these two playlists as permanent features of your account, but you can always remove individual videos from them. Now, if you want to delete a playlist, tap the three dots in the upper right corner of the playlist, select Delete, and then Confirm. Another way to delete a playlist, if you're already viewing it and didn't see the three dots earlier or find it easier, is to open the playlist, then tap the three dots in the top right corner, select Delete Playlist, and confirm deletion. It's important to note that this action doesn't delete the videos themselves, only the playlists that contain them. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon.